go?
Most of the times they're to the surface every 2 to 3 minutes. We have 4 blooded here, breathing dolphins will travel up here for 2 good important reasons. Female dolphins will come up here and attempt to getting pregnant. If they are successful getting pregnant, the babies are born 1 year. Any moms on board can certainly appreciate carrying a baby for 12 months, right, Mom? That baby's born, yeah, 12 months, 3 feet long.
I don't know if I'm capturing them or not.
I did, so I can send it to you.
Even at the last moment, can she get an epidural? Dolphins do need milk from the mother. That's another thing that all mammals share. They feed their babies milk. In fact, dolphins have some of the highest fat content